So hey, we're Beetroot. We want to talk about a problem, a challenge, an opportunity. Tech companies and startups around the world are struggling to scale their teams sustainably. It's often difficult to find the right talent locally. It's ridiculously expensive to hire. And hosting a development team takes time and resources. We get it. Beetroot's founders wanted a solution with more personality, closer communication, and transparency. And after exploring the huge potential of Ukraine, Beetroot was founded. We're a company that recruits, hosts, and supports IT professionals like developers and illustrators, while you manage them. We provide thinking, competent team players and a unique culture that builds on personal responsibility, trust, and equality. The developers we hire are tailored to your exact needs. And that's not just something we say. We don't have 20 generic developers just sitting around waiting. We kick off in the recruitment process for and together with you, just to get the perfect feeling for cultural and skill set needs. We interview candidates together. It usually takes us about 2 weeks to get the first ones your way. So you should know a few things about us. 1. We really care about our teams, as if they were family. That's what we are in the end, a big Beetroot family. We're a top-rated employer in Ukraine, a good indicator that we are doing the right thing. 2. Nothing beats Ukraine. We'd even go as far as to say that no other country in the world offers the same level of quality for the same price. 3. Our Swedish team members are always on site in Ukraine to help out with cultural and international alignment. 4. As part of Beetroot, we are running Beetroot Academy. It's a social project helping passionate, talented Ukrainian students find a future in IT. It's also a great way for us to secure competency for you. Beetroot introduced a new approach to building external development teams. This is the future of collaboration. Contact us at any time if you want to start exploring your options. Beetroot, the home of great teams.